I come from a long line of good old boys that were makers throughout history. I was guided by their example more than anything. I have some of the tools that my great-grandfather used, and I use them every day. My name is Lyle Wheeler. I'm a chair maker from Millers Creek, North Carolina. I've been making chairs since 1983. I was inspired by the first Foxfire book that had an article in there, a long article, about making chairs by hand. Lon Reed, an article about him and his chair making, very simple tools, traditional styles, and I found inspired by that to learn to make chairs that way. The materials I use in my chairs are native Appalachian hardwoods. That's the only material I work. As Granddaddy would say, if it doesn't grow around here, we're not going to fool with it. Around here, we've got the greatest abundance and quality and quantity of hardwoods in the world. I'm buying local. It keeps our sawmills going. It keeps our economy going here. My chairs are unique because I use a traditional style of work, hand tools mostly, some power tools to do the most work, hand tools always to finish, but I'm mixing up the species of wood. The thing I enjoy most about working with wood is it's a subtractive process. We're always taking something away until we're done, even when we're sanding. And so you remove the stock, remove the material, and you have a pile of sticks that becomes a chair. When I first read that I had got this accomplishment and this award, I was amazed, and I'm not easily amazed. I applied for it, put my best effort into it, and got the recognition that I felt was quite due. I appreciate the opportunity of it. It is the recognition of the achievement, a lifelong achievement to get to this point, to making the finest rocking chair I can make.